What's up, guys, and welcome back to the bull ring. If you jumped into Nvidia today, you had an amazing day, especially if you had this indicator that tells you there was opportunities for calls and put options again. Now, guys, this happened last week on Friday. Okay, so I want you guys to spend a little bit of time on this blue line. Okay, pay extra attention. Okay, anytime we get near it, you're gonna see they're gonna chop because they're trying to keep it from falling, and sure enough, they could not. And now Nvidia started to fall, and that was one of the best put entries there if you were playing in Nvidia. Guys, since Friday, Nvidia fell. Okay, let's measure that out. It has fallen $7.71. Okay, now I want to show you something else, guys. And if you guys are interested, I am setting my courses for Christmas, guys. You get them for 80% off. Yep. Nice Christmas present, huh? You'll learn how to do all this. You'll learn how to identify it, guys, and you can buy your call and let it ride up while you're at work. Okay. Now I want to show you something. If we look at this, you can see this right here. This is just a easy thing to spot. Okay. And I'm going to show you what they do. Okay. Doesn't matter what stock you're playing, as long as you're playing a stock that has a good amount of shares being sold back and forth daily. Look at this. Okay. So Nvidia went up $8.73. Okay. And since then, it has fallen $9.34. Now, in the trading world, what do we call this, guys? It's very easy. Let me show you. This is called a gap fill, guys. Okay. So they started down here. Okay. And they created a nice little gap there. Okay. Let me change this up so you can see that this is a bullish trend there, guys. Okay. So now we have a gap. Okay. Because you can see that there is hardly any resistance in here. So what happens? The stock needs to fill that gap in order for it to keep going up. Okay. And guess what they did? They decided that they were going to fill the gap back up. And there you go. Okay. Now I'm going to change this on the bearish side. So they built the gap, they went up, and then now they filled it back up, which means now they can go back up. Why do they come back down, guys? Very simple. There's a lot of orders here that were missed on the way up. So they're going to come back and grab that money so that they can build support on the way up. However, one of the things I always teach, guys, look left. Okay. Look left. We still have another gap here. So that means that they could technically come down here and fill that gap. Okay. So not only did we have this gap here, you have a gap down here that they made on the way up. Okay. Now, will they fill this up? You better believe it. No, I'm kidding. Guys, it could happen. So make sure before you jump in, guys, understand why it's so important to have an indicator. Check that out. You get above that blue line, we're going to make some nice things happen. See what happened last time they got above the blue line, guys? Okay. This will be your first bullish sign. Let me take that back. Your first bullish sign is down here. You got a call option tag that came out. We're looking for that green cloud to start filling on the way up. Okay. So tomorrow you might see that if they don't fall into here in the pre-market. Okay, now let's come back here, guys, and let's take a look at the big picture. Okay, see the blue line again? They fight hard to keep it above the blue line. Anytime it goes under, guys, you're going to see it pop back up in the next few days. We are here, and that candle there is called a doji. That means that there's an indecision. They're going up and down. They're fighting. It's a bull and bear match, guys. But one of the things I teach you in the courses is that you guys have to be able to spot the support. Okay, so right now, Nvidia found support. Okay, Very simple. I'll show you how this works. Okay, yellow means support. And you can see my nice little green arrows here, guys, that I put there for you. Okay, this is the second time they touch this trend. So they have a trend up, guys, and it's looking very, very bullish. I know a lot of people are going to say, well, they're probably in a wedge and they take their lines and they do this and then they do that and they try to force it to go down. Guys, let the indicator tell you we do not have a put option signal yet. Now remember, if we do get one, you have to understand that support is lying here at 136, maybe even 132, guys. Let's make it 132.19. Okay, and I'm going to show you what I'm talking about. So we can take these candles right in here, guys. Okay, see how they touch? That is support. So if Nvidia falls from this yellow line going up, we can see some support happening right in here, guys, and Nvidia will bounce from there. Okay, now what other things tells us that Nvidia can go up or down? Now what I'm about to show you guys is a pro tip, and this pro tip is brought to you by the Bull Ring, guys. Bull Ring Trading. So check out the courses. Don't forget, guys, they are cheap as heck, 80% off. All right, so let's draw this out so you understand what is the sign that we are going to reverse. Let's come over here. Let's grab a little brush, okay? And it's very simple, guys. I go to the 30-minute time frame and I look for one thing. Did Nvidia find a bottom? Okay, is this a bottom for Nvidia? Okay, the RSI tells me yes, sir. Okay, last time the RSI was at this level, guys, okay, we're talking 25, 30 level. Look at this right here. Okay, last time we were there, what happened? You could see it, right? Okay, last time we got down here, okay, there you go. What did Nvidia do? Guys, if you want to know if the stock is getting ready to turn, okay, there's cheat codes out there, guys. Look at this. The 30-minute will give you a great indication that we might be turning. And guess who's going to go with it? That's right, SPY. All right, guys, let's review where the money went today, because I saw people writing on Twitter or X.com that the market was chopping. And I told them, I don't think it's chopping, because look at Microsoft, okay? I got into Microsoft, guys, okay, down here, okay? And then Microsoft came up, and then it came back down. When it bounced off that blue line, okay, pro tip, guys, pro tip, okay, it started to march up. So I bought more. Check this out, okay? This is how you know you have a bottom, okay? Look at that wick. As long as the price stays above that wick right there, guys, 417, if you said to yourself, hey, I wasn't able to get in, go look for a wick, okay, just like this one, and then see if there's another one across from it that matches that area. And then now you can build yourself a nice little stop loss here under it. And then you start letting it take profits on the way up, guys. So make sure you guys go check out the courses, guys. I have one course out there for free. Hey, test drive it, guys. But this is my position for now. When I get up to target 2, guys, right here, target 2, and I give you guys this in the Bull Ring, I'll send you a swing for the week, guys, and check it out. Okay, this pays for a lot of things, especially the course, guys. You will learn how to do this on your own. Why not try it? All right, now let's take a look at Apple. Okay, you had Apple and Microsoft running today, guys. Okay, Apple was consolidating here. I was in Apple, guys, and I sold my position, okay, because it did expire last week. So this is an amazing entry. If you wanted to play Apple, you put your stop loss under that consolidation area, and then you let it right up, guys. Okay, for now, there is a target 2 for me. That's 278. Target 1 is 255. Okay, you guys want to find out how I know this? guys, sign up for the bull ring. Okay, this is going to happen. It's going to take some time. Okay, I'm going to call out when there's another entry for Apple, guys. Today it just boomed. The entry for Apple right here was on Friday. Okay, because it was consolidating. It did it for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 4-hour sessions, guys. It did it for 24 hours. So we're looking at it, what, maybe 4 or 5 days under. So last week it consolidated, even though, okay, it went up and down. So you could have played it on the daily, on the day trade, which would have been the 10-minute time frame. Okay, it's a lot of ways you can make money with Apple, guys. Okay, so if you were playing Apple last week and you joined the bull ring and you had my indicator, you would have said, hey, look at those clouds. Look at how easy it is to get in and get out. Let's just take a look at it. So if you understand how to play Apple, you know that the contracts you buy will make you nice money. Look at that move up there, guys. Okay, $2.25. Okay, when it was coming down, about another $2. Okay, and then here came down about $1, and then we had a nice move up here, guys. Okay, 91 cents, and then it continued on into $2. Okay, but remember, this is a consolidation area. So in this point here, you could buy calls and hold on to it and take this big win right over here, guys. Okay, in the future, when you see this, okay, let's just mark this off. You can see that Apple had, just from this bottom part right here, guys, look at that. Okay, that was a nice support, which means that we are going to be consolidating, which means we are going to boom up. Why are we going to boom up? How do you know Apple's going to go up? Guys, they are trying to be number one again. They are introducing a lot of things into AI because they want to be top dogs again, and they want to beat NVIDIA. So they are headed up. Remember the targets, guys. Okay, first target is going to be 255. Okay, and you can already see signs of a bullish trend going on again. Okay, there might be another pop for Apple. All right, so I'm going to give you guys a nice picture here. You can see that Apple did flag today, guys, which this here is another consolidation area, which means that excellent time to enter, guys. If you would have seen this, of course, if you're new to trading, guys, know that I teach you this in the courses, and then I'll teach you this. This is the implied move. So Apple's next move could come up to $250 with 92 cents, guys. Okay, remember, once it's in the flag, it has to start popping out. So the first area that it needs to challenge and beat will be right in here at the top of the flag. If it gets past that, then you're going to see the new flag being formed, guys. And somewhere in here, you might see consolidation happening again with Apple, but Apple is not going to stop. I will repeat that. Apple is not going to stop. So guys, if you found value in this video, do me a favor, hit that subscribe button, hit the like button. Really helps out the channel, and it helps me make more videos for you guys. So until the next time, guys, I am wishing you a green day this week, or green days this week. And don't forget, courses are on sale, guys. See ya.